remember this is your Silver Jubilee run.
Well, it's his
25 years this year.
now 25.
Yeah. That's my
25 years.
That's my 75.
That makes 100.
And he goes every day.
He looks like he's 100.